welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So yes, you guys, let's just get right into it. That's the hair I'm gonna be using. It's expression. Was it expression? Yes, it's expression, and I'm using it's 48 inches. I'm using the color 27 and color 30, I believe. So yes, you guys, that's the hair. Like I said, it's 48 inches, and I bought like 2 pack of each, which I didn't use everything. So yes, let's get into parting. Okay, you guys, now this video is all over the place. Okay, I'm not too good with parting when I'm doing it on myself, but if it's on somebody else, like, I'm the ish. Okay, but on me sometimes I have trouble to part my part really well. So yeah, as you guys can see, I went and do that off camera. I do like 3 part. Yes, and then we're gonna part them in smaller sections so we can do our cornrows. So yes, as you can see, I believe I have 7 part in the middle and 3 at the bottom. All right, which they didn't part so well. Like I said, I'm not good on doing it on myself, especially I was only using one mirror. But yes, you guys can see, like, I had a vision. Okay, I had a dream, but yes, but at the end everything come down together. I'm using this base wax thingy just to slick my hair down a little. I didn't use too much, and you'll see something at the end of the video. I don't know if it's because of the product I used, but yes, if you're new, like I said, welcome, and go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future video. After I put the beeswax, I went and slick it down with my little rectal comb, and yes, that's when the real thing began. So yeah, if you don't know how to do cornrow with braiding hair, like the fitting part, um I'll try to explain it to you guys, or maybe I'll just make another video, like just to show you guys how I do it. Now, I'm not a professional, but I can do it on myself and other people. I can, like, trying to explain it to you guys so you guys can understand, even though I'm not good at that. But as you can see, I start braiding my own hair, and then I add the braiding hair. When you're adding the braiding hair, you want to hold it with your index finger, like between your index finger and the thumb, and you flip one part up and then you bring it back. I hope it makes sense. Like I say, maybe I'll try to make another video just to give you guys a more close up and more detailed video. Like you can see, I fit the hair between my index and my thumb. The rest of the hair, I flip it up, then I bring it back. It's like you put the hair and you continue braiding like one more I don't know, one more whatever, and then you bring the hair back. As you guys can see, I was trying to say if it's look good. At the moment, I'm gonna let you guys watch that. Okay, you braid, you braiding. Yeah, I'm all over the place, and now you bring it back. Okay, yes, what I was gonna say is, you guys, at the moment, the first braid, especially on the side of my hair, on my head, it looked pretty good, you guys. Okay, if you ask me, to me that looked pretty good, like I did a good job, until I do the other side. I'm like, nah, like I wanted to take it down, but I didn't do it. Like, after I do everything, I feel tired and whatever, I just leave it alone. I didn't take it down. And now, you guys, as you can see, I'm trying to hide my real hair. Like, I'm trying to tuck it inside, and I feel like it's easier when you have short hair and when you're doing it on somebody else. Now, if you're good at doing it on yourself, like to tuck the hair inside, like, kudos to you. But me, I tried. Okay, and I like how it came out because it gave me like a ombre effect, which I loved. So yeah, now let's do a second one. I'm gonna let you guys watch how I do it. Like I said, I start with my hair and then I gradually adding the braiding here. Now let's watch how I add the braiding here. Like I said, you want to hold it between your two fingers and then you flip one side up. Okay, you braid once, twice, then you throw it back, or you add the other piece that you left on the side. All right, one, two, and then you add more here. It's like when you add the hair, okay, you do one, two, you flip it down, you do one, two, and then you add more hair. Like that's why you call it the fitting method. That's what I think, because you keep adding more hair. It's like you're fitting the bread more hair as you go until you get it to your desired look or thickness. One, two, flip it down. Okay, and you keep going. One more thing, you guys, even if you reach the end of the cornrows like here, you're just gonna have to braid the rest of the hair. If it's not thick enough or it's not in your liking, you can still add more hair to it. And also I figured like the more fuller your hair, like the thicker it is, it's like you use less hair. I don't know if it makes sense. So it's vice versa. So if your hair is on the finer side, depend on the look you're going for, you'll probably have to use more hair than someone that have like thick hair. I hope that makes sense. So yes, you guys. Now I'm gonna let you guys watch this one, especially if you don't like my voice or my voice is annoying to you, you'll have a chance to watch this one in peace. But before I be quiet, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So yeah, let's watch this one. Like, do you see how clean this look, how neat this one look? Like, yeah, that's what I was saying. Back to it. I'm gonna be quiet. Like, yeah, I did that, and you can see where I was doing the comparison, and like this one is more straight, more neat, like more everything. Okay, to me, like this is a 10 out of 10, and the other one is like a 5 or a 6, depends out of 10. But yeah, as you can see, I try not to tuck my hair inside. Like I said, you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I tried. And you can, if you have like a strand that is smaller or whatever, you can always crisscross, where you take some of the hair from the other two piece and then you add it to the other one to make them equal. Okay, so they can look nice. If not, they'll look like crooked or whatever. So yes, you guys, as you can see, I split this one, but it's the same process. you start braiding your own hair, and then you just add the hair. Like I said, you add the hair, you flip a part up, you do 1 2, you flip it back down, 1 2, you add more hair, and the same thing over and over until you are done. So yes, you guys, as you can see, this one looking like pretty neat and nice, and I like how it give me the ombre effect, like I said. And these two weren't looking so good, but like I said, I didn't take them down. Now you guys, I don't know if you can tell, you can see the back. Like I was saying, my parting is not on point, and I didn't use no mirror to see the back, but however, the way I did the top part, the hair end up cover the back and everything, like you can barely tell, which you'll see at the end of the video. And again, I had to go and part it off camera because it was a struggle. And sorry, I don't know if you can tell, I was already tired. Like, I wanted to be done. Okay, I don't know if you can tell by the way my face is set up right now. It's like I want to be done with this. So yeah, that's me trying to continue braiding. And one more thing, you guys, the hair, like the part I'm doing right now, it's more thick than the sides and the back. I don't know, but yeah, which means I use like less hair in the middle of my head, which I was telling you not too long ago. Like, the thicker your hair is, the less hair you need, or you need to part your hair smaller, because if not, it's gonna be bulky, and you don't want that. So yeah. And if you wanted to get this hairstyle, and don't let my laziness, my no knit part get you, like talk you out of it not to get it. I promise you, if you can part your hair, you're a good braider or whatever, you will like it. It will come out nice. Or you can just, if you have somebody to do it for you, or you can go to a professional, you explain them like, this is what I want, this is what I want. All right. And probably longer braids too. It'll be bomb, like you'll look bad as, you know, AF. So I just wanted to put that out there. And maybe I'll have to recreate this look to show you guys what I'm talking about, because like I said, I had a vision. Okay, I see potential, but it just, like, right now it's given, but it's not given what it was supposed to give. So yes. Is that your friend? Is you still here since the beginning? You probably skip a little, but is you still here and you haven't subscribed? Like, come on, friend. Go ahead now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? So you don't miss any future video. All right. Thank you. I see you. Thank you. I don't know if you guys can tell, but if you look closer, you'll see how you can see more black than the braiding hair, which means, like I said, my hair is thicker here, and you can see I'll struggle a little just to grab the hair, and you can barely see it even in the cornrows. So like I said, I use less hair in the middle of my head, but yeah. And so yes, you guys, this is the final look. Like I was telling you guys, it looked pretty good, but as you can see, I have like little white thing or whatever. I don't know if it's the mousse that I use with the beeswax, if they didn't go together, I don't know, but it gave me the white thing. But after my hair dry and everything, they came off. But yeah, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Like I said, you can see how the top part cover the middle or whatever. So my crooked part didn't show that much at the end. So yes, you guys, this is it. This is how I look. That's the most I use. It's from Herbal Essence, and I use the Shining Gem just to do my edges. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next